What I eat in a day as a smartness model part 2. Kicking bad habits to the curb XT here. 1. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can cause your metabolism to slow down, and it can also cause you to overeat because you will be very hungry by the time you do allow yourself to eat. Eating small snacks between meals is helpful for some people. If this helps prevent you from overeating at meals, go for it. For the best results, try a protein-packed snack that is 200 calories or less. 2. Stop eating when you're full. Many people will eat as much food as there happens to be on their plate, without stopping to think if they are still hungry. Start being more mindful by stopping yourself after you've finished half of your food and asking yourself if you are satisfied or still hungry. Don't deprive yourself of more food if you are still hungry, but stop eating if you realize you are not. It might also help to eat a little slower, so your body has a chance to begin digesting and can let you know when it has had enough. Practice what is known as hara hachi bu, which means eating until you feel about 80% full. 3. Don't eat for emotional reasons. It might be hard to recognize at first, but the next time you reach for a snack between meals, ask yourself if you are feeling angry, lonely, or tired. If you are, think about other things you can do to feel better. Going for a walk or calling your best friend might give you the pick-me-up you need. 4. Don't obsess over food. While it's important to make good decisions, try to take a more relaxed approach to it. You will have much more success in losing weight if healthy eating habits become a regular habit that you don't have to think about. Try thinking more about the healthy foods that you will add to your diet than the bad foods you will eliminate. Also, try to find healthy foods that you genuinely enjoy eating. If you do both of these things, you may not even crave unhealthy foods anymore. Instead of depriving yourself of the foods you love, allow yourself a little indulgence once in a while. In fact, deprivation can lead to overeating, so it may be healthier to give in to your cravings every so often. This means you can still eat chocolate or bacon, as long as it's in moderation. 5. Don't be caught unprepared. Always bring healthy snacks, like raw fruits and vegetables, nuts, and low-fat yogurt with you when you go out. This will prevent you from giving in to temptation if you get hungry and there are no healthy options available where you are. 6. Don't store junk food in your house. It's much easier to avoid eating junk food if you don't have any readily available. When you feel the need to indulge yourself, go to the store and purchase a single serving of your favorite snack. Bringing it home will make it very hard to keep yourself from overindulging. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribers to channel coming to next. What I eat in a day as a smartness model part 3, like, comment and share this video.